Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about verb to have. Have in the present and in the past it's going to be had. Let's see the examples. Now the verb have in the present. So the present tense is have. For example, I have a cat. I don't have a cat. They have a nice car. They don't have a nice car. So the verb have, we use it in the present. In the past, we're gonna change this verb to had. So the past of have is had. For example, he had to go home. He had a meeting yesterday. Notice here we use had because we are talking about yesterday. So there is a key word here for the past, which is yesterday.
Remember, when do we use simple past tense? We use it when action happened in the past and finished. And do you remember the keywords? Let's remember them together. Yesterday, last week, last year, last month, any date in the past like 2016, 1998. Now look at this example. They had a drink yesterday. Where is the verb? Excellent job. The verb is had. Is it in the past or is it in the present? What do you think? Excellent. It is in the past. Why? Because we have yesterday. Yesterday is the key word for simple past tense. That's why we use they had a drink.
Last week I had a cat. Now here, where is the verb? Look at this sentence. The verb here is had, and we use the verb here in the past tense because there is a key word for the past, last week. She had a star yesterday. She had a star yesterday. Also here we use the verb had, which is the past of have, because we are talking about yesterday. So there is a key word for the past.
I had a computer last month. Where is the verb? Excellent job. It's had. And had is the past verb of have. I had a computer last month. Where is the key word? Last month is the key word, so this is why we use had. I had a computer.
Now let's move to this example. Let's read the example together. Ali had cakes yesterday. Now where is the verb? The verb here is had. Now here, look at this sentence. We're gonna change it into question. And remember that, look at the verb. First of all, you should look at the verb. The verb here, it's had and it's in the past. So if you want to make a question in the past, remember that we use Mr. Dead. We put Mr. Dead at the beginning. Then the subject is Ali. And in this case, look, we changed the verb from had to have. Why? Because after Mr. Dead, you should use verb 1. And verb 1 here is have. So had it's verb 2 in the past. And here we use verb 1, which is have. So the question is, did Ali have cakes yesterday? And don't forget the question mark at the end. You can answer with two ways. If the answer yes, you can say yes, he did. We put the pronoun he for Ali. Yes, he did. And if the answer is no, you can say no, he did not or no, he didn't. Okay, another example. Sally had a new dress last week. Let's change this sentence into question. We put did at the beginning. Then the subject. Where is the subject, Sally? And don't forget to change the verb. Now here you should change the verb. And what's verb 1? The present of had is have. So the question is, did Sally have a new dress last week? We use verb 1 after Mr. Did and we put the question mark at the end. Let's see the answers. Yes, she did. Or no, she did not.
Now, look at the sentence. Sarah had a drink yesterday. Now we are going to change this sentence into negative. Do you remember negative means not, negative not. If I want to change this sentence into negative, we use Mr. Did in front of the verb. Sarah had a drink yesterday. Where is the verb? The verb is had. Now remember we use Mr. Did. Sarah did not have a drink yesterday. And remember to change had from verb to have verb 1. And remember, did not. Hates ed or verb 2. Okay, don't forget this rule. Now look at this sentence. The children had sweets last week. If I want to change this sentence into negative, what I use? What do you think? Excellent job. We use Mr. Did. The children did not have sweets last week. And remember, we changed the verb had into have if we add did not. Why? Excellent, because did not. Hates ed or verb 2. Okay, third grade, I hope you enjoy our lesson. Thank you and see you next time.